Hi everyone, I wanted to welcome you to ESY 2020. This is very exciting. We're still doing remote learning, but that's okay. We'll be together on Thursday at 1:30. Hope you can make it. I want to see everybody there for our Zoom meeting. I will send out reminders and the link for that. Today is July calendar, July 2020. What is today? Today is the first day of ESY. So it is Monday, July 6th. So what I would like to do is I would like to explain the materials that were sent home and the lesson plans that I emailed all the parents. So you got a box of goodies, right? And those are manipulatives, and they go by weeks. So the first week is this week, and it's a beach theme. So you'll be using all the items that have to do with the beach, like your pail. So you have a pail and a shovel, and when your parents look at the lesson plans that were emailed, they'll see that you're going to be using the pail and shovel for multiple things. You also got a suitcase. So in the lesson plan, it will tell you what to do with the suitcase, and there's something inside of the suitcase. So I don't want you to use all the manipulatives all at once. I would like the parents to please follow the lesson plan and give the manipulatives for that week unless otherwise specified in the lesson plans. Like for this week, we're using the pail and the shovel a lot, and we're also using the suitcase. We'll probably be using the suitcase for all of them, for all the weeks. Next week is a camping theme. So every week, starting on a Monday, I will explain to you the activities for that week. So let's get to it. There is a packet that I sent. And not everybody's packet is the same. You have different things because not everybody is learning the same skills. We're all in different places. But you might be at a different level. We're all learning the same skills, but people are at different levels, and that's okay. So the first thing is you have a list of words here. Now, some people can write, some students can't write, it's okay. But you'll see in the lesson plans, I've asked you to identify certain words, to pick certain words, to create sentences. So even though you can't write, I want you to be part of the process of creating sentences using those words. You can have a brother, sister, mother, father, friend, write, it's also called scribe, the sentences for you. But I want you to write down the sentences. I want you to underline the words that you use. I want you to circle the words on the list. And for some of you, the ones who can write, I do want you to write these words. You can trace them. You can write them on another piece of paper. But if you can't write, that's okay. You can point to the words and use them as a list, as a guide, and point to the words that you want to use for your sentences and for your short story. Let's go to the beach. You will be doing this in the lesson plan. I think it's for tomorrow. I've also asked you to choose. You're going to do this individually. Every day I want you to choose a math paper in your packet. It could be counting, whichever one you want to do. It could be, let's see, we have counting. We have color by number. We have following a pattern, completing the pattern. All right, so you're going to be using your scissors. You're going to be cutting and pasting, and you're going to be doing the cutting, okay, not your parents. This is a review of skills. This is to maintain the skills that you already have. All right, for the summer, it's like curriculum. It's supposed to be fun. So, don't tire yourself out. Just follow the lesson plan. And if it gets too much, then don't do it. Just save it for another time. Okay. I want you to also follow the lines. All right. You can choose to do this when you want. And for this page, let's see. This page, it's a puzzle. So you're going to cut these out and you're going to paste them where they belong to complete the picture, okay? Because the picture is cut in half and you need to complete the picture. And then these are sequencing cards. Now everybody has different ones. I have the balls, so you're going to cut these out. You're going to take a separate piece of paper and you're going to paste them from small. Let's find the small ones. You're going to paste the small ones first, then the medium. Go by size, small, big, bigger, bigger, biggest. Okay, small, medium, and large. Put them in size order. Do the best you can with that. So for today, I have look in the suitcase and to find a penny and a nickel. So you are going to look in your suitcase. You're going to open it if you need help. And you're going to find the penny and the nickel. And the worksheets that I have for you to do today is this summer one, counting. Like I said, everybody has a different packet, so if you don't have this, choose a different math activity worksheet that's in there. And then for themed manipulatives, when I talk about themed manipulatives, it's the manipulatives that came in that box that I sent you, that box of goodies, which you'll find your pail, you'll find the passport, you'll find your suitcase. So it says, find 3 small-sized objects from the house or yard. Use the shovel to place them in the pail. Look at the objects and talk about their color, weight, and texture. Okay, so you're going to go on a scavenger hunt, and you're going to find 3 small objects today around the house. So these I found, are these small or big? They're very small, okay, so I'm following directions. And how many do I have to find? 3, so let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 small objects. I didn't use a shovel. I would like you to use a shovel, if you could, to put them in there. And then we're going to talk about, I want you to talk about the color, the weight, and the texture with your parents or a sibling or a friend. So I chose 3 small screws, and they're rough. They feel rough. The color, they are white and silver. And the weight, they're not heavy. They're very, very, very light. Okay. Today, I also have that we are going to read I Saw It at the Beach. So what you're going to need to do is there are picture cards that go with this story. You don't have the story. I have the story. But you have the picture cards. And you're going, here's the story. And you're going to cut them out. Just give me 1 moment. I will be right back. I need to find the picture cards. I found them. So you all have the same picture cards. You're going to cut them out, and you're going to save this for Thursday. We're going to do a practice run today with this, but Thursday you're actually going to need them to be cut out, and you need to be prepared because I'm going to read the story again, and there's a lot to cut out. So if you don't, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be cut out today, but for Thursday, once your cards are cut out, during the story, you are going to look for cards that represent the words that are in the story. So, let me show you what I mean. Okay. I saw it at the beach. I saw it at the beach. Now, there's a ball, and there's a pail, and there's a palm tree. So, you need to look at your cards, and you need to see if you can find a ball, because there's a ball in this picture, right? A ball, a pail, there's the pail, and a palm tree. What else is in this picture that's in your cards? Well, I see a sand dollar and I see waves. So you're going to have to look through your picture. There's a lot of scanning because there's a lot of pictures. Here's the sand dollar. And we'll do this very slowly. And here are waves. You're going to be like a detective, okay? And you're going to try to find the pictures that match the story, what's in the story. Let's see. I saw it at the beach. I saw it at the beach. A sunny day. A crab at play. Let's see. Can you find a crab? Where is there a crab? Do you have a crab? There's the crab. Good job. I saw it at the beach. I saw it at the beach. The waves so blue, a seagull too. So they're talking about waves and a seagull. Well, we know we have the waves. So, up. There's the seagull. And where are the waves? It will be easier once these are like cut out. And there are the waves. I saw it at the beach. I saw it at the beach. The sand and sea, a tall palm tree. So let's look for the words that are underlined. Sand and tall palm tree. So I saw the sand, right? There's the sand that they're talking about. And what do we have to find? What's the next one? The palm tree. You guys are pretty good at this. I can tell already. Okay, what's the next one? This is the last one. I saw it at the beach. I saw it at the beach. A pretty shell. Starfish as well. So we're looking for a pretty shell and a starfish as well. So let's do our scanning and let's look for a shell and a starfish. Well, there's the shell and there's the starfish. You did a great job with that story. I will be doing another video on Wednesday, and I think I'll be reading you a story. I'm not sure what I'm going to plan, but it'll be good. It'll be something special. And I will be reminding you about Thursday, and I hope you can all attend. It is getting very dark outside. There's going to be a storm. I don't know if you can see that. It was very hot this morning, and now it's very dark. So I hope you're inside and you're safe and you don't get caught in the storm. Have a great day. Pace yourself with the work. If you have any questions, you can call me, email me, just get in touch with me. And I would be happy to help you any way I can. All right, I will see you on Thursday, and there will be a video on Wednesday. See you then.